Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to find About Device and tap on this first toggle, let's say. As you can see, if you've got any kind of updates, your device will show it to you by using this red dot as a notification sign. After tapping on it, your device will check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your device is actually available to download the update. Of course, it will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added. You can learn more about this version, and all you have to do is to tap on download. The second scenario is where your device is actually up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, it will show you relevant information about your current update, about your current system version. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.